You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation for more confusing pronunciations, including from French. Yes, this is a word from French originally. Make sure to stay tuned, we've got tons of them on the channel. And coming up at the end of the video, English pronunciation, how to pronounce grains, grains, grains. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here as grains. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.